In short order, Hyundai has elevated the Elantra from rental fleet staple to rising star in its class. Its attractive looks and plentiful options make it an affable, high-value choice. Its refined and fuel-efficient four-cylinder engines pair with either a manual or automatic transmission. An eco model boasts more torque and a quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Apart from the base model, every Elantra has a fantastic infotainment system with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Despite its charm, the Hyundai is compromised by a smallish backseat and lackluster driving dynamics. Even so, it's good enough to put its biggest rivals on notice. High's attractive looks, available turbocharged engine, lots of optional features. Low's below-average handling, some cheap interior materials, smallish rear seat. Verdict a solid, Jack-O trade's choice, even if it falls short of the top of its class. What's new for 2018? The changes for this model year are mild and include another trim level and several newly standard features. The new sill trim slots above the base SE. It replaces the popular package that was available on the 2017 SE. The sill also has several standard features that were never available on the base model. These include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane change assist. The Value Edition trim adds rear disc brakes. They're standard on the sill. The Elantra Limited now is an auto-dimming rear view mirror with BlueLink and HomeLink telematics systems as standard. 2017's tech package is now split up on the Limited as either standard equipment or part of the Ultimate package. Shale grey metallic paint is renamed Machine Grey. What was new for 2017? The Elantra sedan was completely redesigned for 2017, so its exterior and interior were all new. Hyundai also added all sorts of new technology features and reworked the car's chassis and engine options. The standard 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine became more economical than before, while the turbocharged Eco model was a new addition to the lineup. The Eco uses a turbocharged 1.4-litre four-cylinder that, along with other tweaks, helps it achieve an APA highway fuel economy rating of 40 miles per gallon. Trims and options we'd choose don't be fooled by the name. The Elantra Eco has a speedy and efficient turbo inline-four that mates exclusively to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It's also loaded with desirable standard features, such as 7.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual-zone automatic climate control, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats. Those looking to dress up the Elantra with a leather-appointed interior, a power-adjustable driver's seat, chrome exterior trim, and 17-inch wheels can do so with the Limited trim for a bit less than $23,000. While that's still a bargain, we prefer the fun and economical Eco model for $21,435. The Elantra offers a fair amount of powertrain variety with its two engine options. The 147 horsepower 2.0-litre inline-four, which is standard on Elantra SE, SE, Value Edition, and Limited trim levels, wouldn't be our first choice. While it is relatively refined and provides adequate performance, the 128 horsepower turbocharged 1.4-litre inline-four in the Elantra Eco is more appealing. Despite its power deficit, the 1.4-litre engine's higher torque output makes the Elantra Eco feel considerably punchier in everyday driving. It also lives up to its name with slightly better gas mileage than the 2.0-litre models. What's new for 2018? The 2018 Elantra has the same engines and transmissions as in 2017. While we cover it separately, the new for 2018 Elantra GT hatchback is a more potent version of the regular Elantra's 2.0-litre inline-four. It pairs with a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. 2017 Hyundai Elantra View 64 photos. Among the 2.0-litre Elantras, a 6-speed manual transmission is only found on the base SE, a model that doesn't have many standard or optional features. The 6-speed automatic, which shifts smoothly, adds $1,000 to the SE's bottom line and allows shoppers to add desirable extras such as a backup camera and cruise control. The automatic is standard on the better-equipped Value Edition and limited models. Notably, the Elantra Eco comes only with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which behaves differently than a traditional automatic. Its quick shifts improve acceleration, although it suffers from clunky low-speed operation. If you look only at official EPA fuel economy ratings, the Elantra's numbers are competitive overall but fall short of being best in class. That honor goes to the 1.5-litre Honda Civic. However, we gave the Elantra top marks when it comes to fuel economy because both engine choices we tested outperformed the government's ratings in our real-world testing. What's new for 2018? Since Hyundai didn't alter the Elantra's powertrains for 2018, its CPR-rated fuel economy figures remain the same. We also don't expect its real-world fuel efficiency to change. 2017 Hyundai Elantra. There's some variation in fuel economy when it comes to 2.0-litre models. We tested an Elantra Limited with 17-inch wheels. The SAE automatic model with smaller wheels and tyres is rated higher in the EPA's tests, gaining 1 mile per gallon in city, highway, and combined ratings. Also, the standard 6-speed manual transmission for the SAE model is not as efficient as the automatic, achieving a combined rating of 29 miles per gallon, 4 miles per gallon less than the SAE with the 6-speed automatic. Fuel economy ratings compared. We perform our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. Drivers maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour, using the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. View 64 photos. In that test, both the 2.0-litre Elantra and the Elantra Eco did better than their EPA highway estimates. The Elantra Limited achieved 42 miles per gallon at a steady 75 miles per hour, surpassing its EPA rating by a whole 5 miles per gallon, while the Elantra Eco achieved an impressive 43 miles per gallon, beating the EPA number by 3 miles per gallon. The Elantra Sport, which we tested with a manual transmission, also exceeded its EPA rating by 3 miles per gallon, with a result of 33 miles per gallon.